Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c colon and simply press enter. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command, type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now execute this command, type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command, type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now execute this command, type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space / fixmdr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space / fixboot and hit enter to execute. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this command, cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command, bcd edit space / exports space c colon / bcd backup, then hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this command, md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type attrib space c colon -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Type in ren c colon /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space / rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.